There's plenty to see, there's plenty to do in Miss Caroline's cupboard.
Hello girls, and welcome to your final lesson this week. Continuing with our theme of problem solving, today's lesson we're going to be problem solving using multiplication and division as well. So let's have a look at an example of a question. One car weighs 622 kilograms. How much will 5 cars weigh? So this is how much one car weighs. We need to find out what 5 cars weigh. Very simple, 622 times by 5. So remember girls, any way you want to use is absolutely fine. So if you want to use a different method of multiplication, that's fine. As long as it's not a calculator, I'm happy. And you need to be able to show you're working. So my method is going to be 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10 plus a 1. And 6 times 5 is 30 plus a 1 is 31. So one car weighs 622, but 5 cars weigh 3,110 kilograms. Nice and simple, girls. Okay, let's move on to a division question. If a box of flapjacks are a candy from England, costs £9.84 and the box has 6 flapjacks, how much does each flapjack cost? So we have a box of flapjacks. Here's my box. And inside the box of flapjacks, which costs £9.84, I have 6 bars. 6 bars. So I need to find out, well, what if I wanted to buy just 1 bar? How much would that be? So I'm going to have to divide by 6. So I take my total amount, which is £9.84, and I'm going to divide it by 6 bars to see how much each bar is worth. So, once again, you can use whatever method you want to use. Partition, whatever method you're comfortable using. So, here is my method. We find how many 6's go into 9. I can only fit 1 6 into 9, can't I? If I added another 6, it will be to 12. So 1 6 into 9. And then I have how many left over? 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 3 left over that I couldn't do anything with. So I just bring my 3 over here. 6 is into 38. Now I know 6 6's are 36. So I could do 6 6's are 36. And I have how many left over? 6 6's are 36, 37, 38. I have 2 left over, so I'm going to put it here. Now 6 is into 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. That's 4. And I have to put back in my decimal point. So it's £1.64. My answer is £1.64 for each flapjack. Okay girls, so in today's lesson, make sure you're using the methods you feel comfortable with when practicing your problem solving. Please make a note of those methods so we can see you're working to prove that you haven't used a calculator. Good luck with your work on Education City. If you have any questions, please ask. Bye!